Trader to Cebu Port Control. Do you copy?
Cebu Port Control copies. Global Trader. State your nature of business.
We are the MV Global Trader. India, Mike, Oscar, number 99, Octa 8, City 7, Soxy 6, Panta 5, Carty 4, Terra 3. Estimated time arrival, Cebu Port at 1400 hours, requesting berthing at Pier 3. We are carrying a cargo of 5,000 tons of rice, destined for consigned ABC trading over.
Global Trader. Your arrival is noted. Pier 3 is currently occupied. We can offer you Pier 4. Estimated time arrival for availability is 1530 hours. Do you accept? Over.
Pier 4 is acceptable. Cebu Port Control. We will adjust our speed accordingly. Estimated time arrival at Pier 4 will be approximately 1600 hours. Over.
Global Trader. Understood. Stand by for further instruction. You will be contacted by the harbor pilot upon your approach to the port. Over.
Global Trader to Cebu Port Control. We are approaching Cebu Port. Panta 5 nautical miles out. Requesting pilot boarding. Over.
Global Trader. Pilot boat. Cebu Pilot Una 1 is en route to your position. Estimated time arrival approximately Una 1, Panta 5 minutes. Over.
Trader to Cebu Port Control. Pilot is aboard, ready to proceed to Pier 4. Over.
Global Trader. Proceed to Pier 4 as directed by the pilot. Maintain Victor Hotel Foxtrot Channel. Una 1, Soxo 6 for further communication. Over.
Global Trader to Cebu Port Control. We are alongside Pier 4. Securing mooring lines. Over.
Global Trader. Your berthing is noted. Customs and Immigration officials will be arriving shortly. Please provide your ship's manifest and crew list to the port authorities. Over.
Global Trader. Understood. We are preparing the necessary documentation. Over. Global Trader to Cebu Port Control. Cargo operations are complete. Requesting permission to depart. Over.
Global Trader. Permission to depart is granted. Please contact the Harbor Master for clearance. Safe voyage. Over.
Global Trader. Thank you. Cebu Port Control. Safe voyage to you also. Over.